Nice to see you again. Today I'll show you how to program the integrated display on the py2Go-Stick. First, we need to initialize and clear the display. Here's the code to initialize the display. Now you can easily clear the display. Next, we place a single pixel on the screen. The screen has a resolution of 100 by 28 pixels. Here is the code to place a pixel at position 10 by 10. Now we can write a function to display various shapes. In this example, we'll create a simple rectangle in the center of the screen. If you like, you can also create a spiral or a sine wave. Now you can do whatever you like. I want to animate the sine wave to add some movement. Next time, we'll create a more complex example, a minigame on your py2Go-Stick. Thank you for watching and enjoy experimenting with your py2Go-Stick.